Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Hi and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the C major, composed of the C, the E, and the G, and with the bass note of C. Then you will have the F major, composed of the C, the F, and the A, and with the bass note of F. Then you will have the A minor, composed of the C, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. Then we will have the G major, composed of the D, the G, and the B, and with the bass note of G. And final chord, the E minor, composed of the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of E. You will find in the description box a link to access the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Let's move on to the introduction. So let me display the chord order for that section, and here's how you're going to play those chords. So take the first chord and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So on 1, bass and chord. 2, you play nothing. 3, you play chord. And 4, you play bass. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna play all the chords the same way. So G major, 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. F major, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the F major, here's how you're gonna play it. So once, 1, and then C G, C F, and then C major. So it would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The whole table would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Moving on to the first verse, we're going to be able to keep the same table and the same method. So directly with the lyrics, it'll sound like this. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And repeat. And for that last F major, you can also play the variations with C, G, and C, F, like this. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. C, G, C, F, C major. Okay? So here you have played that table once, and you will simply have to repeat it one last time with the next lyrics. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So after you played the table twice, you will reach the chorus. So here's the new table for that section, and by the way, notice that the E minor finally showed up. And we'll be keeping the same method, so directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. Let it be, let it be. Let it be, oh let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. So to complete the chorus, you will only have to play this table once. Now, to play the second verse, just take the verse table and repeat it twice. Then replay the chorus table, but this time, instead of playing it once, you will need to play it twice. And after the second chorus, you will have this particular descent. And then the exact same melody, one octave above. and then you will reach the interlude with the guitar solo, and to play that section, you will simply need to take the verse table and repeat it twice, and eventually play the chorus table twice to finish the song. Good luck to you, and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.